Hello and welcome. I'm very thrilled that you are here. You have just enrolled the big picture overview of computer science, the foundation of computing. Our goal is to give you a map for the complex world of technology by starting where it all begins, at chapter 1. Now we are recording this in 2025 and it's impossible to ignore the hype around AI. It feels that it's changing everything every single day. And that's exactly why learning the history of computing is more critical than ever. Because here's the secret, we have been all there before. This is not the first time there has been a massive wave of excitement about AI. The history of computing is filled with those cycles of breakthrough promise, intense investment, and then a quiet period where the real lasting technology settles in. This code will give you the perspective to see beyond the current headline. We will equip you with the essential skill of separating the hype from the realistic. You will learn to identify the genuine breakthrough that will last long after the initial excitement dies down. This is the power of knowing the history. You learn to spot the pattern. You develop the intuition to see the change that will truly shape our future. And you gain big picture view of core computing concept that anchor in a sea of change. This foundation will give you the confidence to follow complex conversation about technology and provide the perfect landscape you ever decide to dive deeper into a more technical field. In the next video, I will walk you through exactly how to use the course platform. For now, I want you to be excited. You are about to gain a perspective that few people have the ability to see the full story of technology. Thank you for joining me. Let us begin building your big picture.